Hello everyone. This video is for Business Studies class 11th. The topic is classification of business activities. In today's video, we'll cover certain topics related to industries like concept of industry, types of industries, primary industries, secondary industries, and tertiary industries. Before proceeding further, let's have a recap from our previous video. In our previous video, we have a thinking exercise which is related to three friends, Arun, Tarun, and Varun. They were engaged in different types of activities to earn their livelihood. Arun described his occupation by saying that transfer of interest is not possible in case of his occupation, and at same time it does not require any capital investment. Tarun remarks, in my occupation also transfer of interest is not possible, but one need to possess high degree of specialized knowledge in a particular field. Whereas Varun says, in his occupation, transfer of interest is possible with some formalities and also capital investment is essential. In the context of these cases, you have to identify the various types of business activities. The answer is, in Arun case, he was engaged in employment. In Tarun case, answer is profession, and in Varun case, answer is business. Let's continue with our current topic. The business activities may be classified into two categories: industry and commerce. These activities carried out by a business enterprise can be broadly classified in these two categories: industrial activities and commercial activities. Let's have a concept of industry. Industry further divided in three categories or three parts: primary, secondary, and tertiary activity. In a layman language, industry refer to the production of goods or services within an economy. Literally speaking, industry is an economic activity concerned with the processing of raw material and manufacturing of goods in factories. The term industry refer to the economic activities which involve conversion of resources into useful goods. These includes activities relating to the production or processing of goods as well as breeding and raising of animals. Many times, the term industry is also used to refer to groups of the firm producing similar or related goods or services. For example, a film industry refers to all the units engaged in producing films. Similarly, a footwear industry would include all the firm producing footwear, and so on. Likewise, the banking industry consists of various banks operating within an economy. The industries can be broadly classified into three types, namely primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industries. Let's have a detail of primary industries. Primary industries is concerned with all those activities which are connected with the extraction and production of natural resources and reproduction and development of living organisms, plants, and etc. Primary industries can further be classified into two types: genetic industry and extractive industries. Genetic industries related to breeding plants, animals for their use in further reproduction. like a poultry farm or a fish hatchery, and etc. Whereas extractive industries, these industries are related to extraction of products from natural resources like farming, mining, hunting, etc. Secondary industries. Secondary industries are concerned with using the material which have already been extracted at the primary stage to producing goods for final consumption or for further processing by other industrial unit like building house, making handicrafts, etc. The two type of secondary industries are described as construction industries and manufacturing industries. Construction industries. These industries related to construction of monuments, buildings, flyover, dam, bridges, roads, etc. Whereas manufacturing industries, these industries are engaged in production of product for final consumption and creating form utilities. Manufacturing industry may be further divided into four types on the basis of method of operation or production as analytical industries, synthetical industries, processing industry, and assembling industries. Let's have a look over type of manufacturing industries. Analytical industry. The type of industries relates to analysis and separation of different elements from same material. Like through fractional distillation, many products are obtained from crude petroleum, which includes petrol, kerosene, diesel, oil, and so on. In synthetical industry, these industries involve manufacturing of new products by combining various ingredients into a new product like fragrance, cement, etc. Processing industries. These industries deal in products which involve successive stages for manufacturing finished products like cheese, jams, etc. Whereas assembling industry create a new product by assembling different components, parts, like in case of computer or a car manufacturing company. Tertiary industries. The organizations which provide support service to primary as well as to secondary industries in addition to activities relating to trade are referred to as tertiary industries. These industries are service oriented and may be considered as an element of commerce. They are also known as auxiliary to trade, primarily because they assist in trade through a wide spectrum of activities like transportation, banking, insurance, warehousing, communication, healthcare, advertisement, and so on. We'll have these topics in next video. It's time for thinking exercise. A question related to the topic which we have covered in this video. Aman Priya work in a private sector bank as a public relation officer, whereas her friend Kanu Priya is employed in a food processing industry at the post of production coordinator. You need to identify and explain the types of industry which were being mentioned in the given lines in reference to the broad classification of industries which we have studied in this video. Also, you need to outline the third type of industry which has not been referred in the given lines. Thank you so much for this. Topics we are going to cover in next video is commerce, trade, auxiliary to trade,